Hello and welcome to the 1811 Kid Ory Historic House in Laplace, Louisiana. We are now open. Located in the main residence of the former Andry Ory plantation in Laplace, Louisiana, the museum tells the story of two noteworthy moments in American history: the 1811 slave rebellion, which began on these grounds, and the life of pioneer jazzman Edward Kid Ory, who was born in the quarters here in 1886. Our museum exhibits feature Ory's century-old valve trombone, photographs never seen by the public, 1920s-era sheet music and lyrics written in the hand of Jelly Roll Morton, rare 78 RPM discs, and century-old working phonographs. To tell the story of 1811, we have collected items related to both the lives of the enslaved and those of their enslavers, and we have furnished a room in the style of the era. The museum also features a display on rural life and the sugarcane economy, a photography exhibit on area culture, and a gift shop selling music and books related to our collection. We are open Tuesday through Sunday for tours by appointment only. Visit us online at the 1811 KidOryHistoricHouse.com to book your visit today.